I love hot food. It makes you eat slower, which I've had a problem with since I was an infant. Raises your heart rate, you get a good workout in. And the beauty of this sandwich is you can bring as much heat to the party as you want. I'm starting to get a little, starting to get hot thinking about it. Out of all the spicy creations I've made throughout the years, the first one that comes to mind is my jalapeno popper grilled cheese. It's all those flavors of a classic jalapeno popper in a sandwich. I invented this recipe because I bought 2 pounds of jalapenos. They're on sale at the store. I roasted them, and I'm looking at this beautiful tray of roasted jalapenos. I'm looking at some bread, had some cheddar in the fridge, had some mascarpone, the magical sandwich fairy, sprinkled some dust. Jalapeno popper grilled cheese. First thing you gotta do is roast the jalapenos. Not the hottest pepper, but the most fun pepper in the world. Jalapenos have nature's volume knob on it, right? It's taking everything in my power not to just take a... You can take a spoon and scoop out all those seeds and ribs and bring it, bring it to 3. These are good for babies, children, and dogs. But I'm a big daddy, so we're using all this right in there. The more you leave in, the spicier it's gonna be. The more you take out, the less spicier it'll be, huh? Toss them with a little olive oil, some seasoning. Uh-oh, someone's trying to escape. All right, just put them onto a baking sheet, parchment lined on the bottom, skin side up, throw them in the oven, and let the heat do the work. All right, now we can start shredding our cheese and getting our other components of the sandwich together. First things first, some nice aged cheddar. The classic grilled cheese typically has American cheese in there. I'm a cheddar man. And what's better than standard cheddar than nice aged cheddar? Just because I'm shredding cheese doesn't mean I can not work my tries, right? Working the triceps, working the triceps. Look at that. That is an enormous pile of cheese. Next, we need our bread. I think you gotta use country white bread. Something with some resistance to it to hold up to that jalapeno and cheese in there. Next, our mascarpone cheese. To give us that cream cheese flavor that's very familiar in a jalapeno popper. You put a schmear of that soft mascarpone cheese on one end. You want every bite the same. Crust to crust is a must. Getting a couple tank tops made with that slogan on it. Can't wait. Put your shredded aged cheddar on that, kind of press it down so it sticks a little bit, and then it's ready for our sliced jalapenos. When you pull them out, put them in a plastic bag. That'll kind of steam them up, soften them up even more, but also make that skin, you can tear it away, so there's no resistance whatsoever. All right, now we kind of slice them. Nice little bite-sized strips here. Close it. Butter the top, butter the bottom, griddle. Kind of give it a nice casual cover here. Kind of helps that heat distribute and make that inside nice and gooey. The most crucial step with making this sandwich is cooking it right. If you griddle it at a perfectly medium temperature, I am so good at what I do. It allows that inside to melt and get gooey, while still keeping the bread nice and golden brown, but just a little soft still. Oh yes, look at that, perfect golden brown. Cut them into little triangles, present them nice, and people take that bite and they're like, I'm eating a jalapeno popper. That is so good. But you're not. Boom, there it is. Whoa. This sandwich is assertive. It wants what it wants and it knows how to get it, and that's into your mouth. Just make sure you have like a bucket of water on the side to splash your face. I've eaten this in the shower before. Jalapenos, talking to you. People eat this sandwich and instantly want 15 more of them because it's perfectly spicy, right? And perfectly familiar and fun. And that flavor of earthy, spicy jalapeno, creamy mascarpone cheese, mixed with the sharp cheddar, buttery bread, you get that crunch from. Fireworks in the mouth. I don't ever want it to end. Kind of like Christmas Day or a good movie. It's getting hard. I think I just got a little skin on that one from my fingers. That's the best thing I've ever made.